Going over FaceTime. Oh no. Open.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo?
Do you want the house tour? I could take you to the first, second, third floor. And I promise none of this is unmet for. I just want you to come inside. But
Wait lang, hindi ko pa nakikita yung presyo. Nakita ko na eh.
Magkano?
Set up to daw.
Set up to. Dad.
19.5.
Ang uwi na.
Ate, paglalagyan ko to. Magkano na to? Hello guys, di ba last vlog natin, nag-unbox tayo ng mga pinadala sa Rastan. So pumunta tayo ngayon talaga sa Rastan kasi gusto namin mag-check ng
Iba pang utensils.
iba pang gusto namin makita sa personal bago kami mag-decide.
Pero meron po kayo ng set na 6 din na for dinner.
Ang may kasamang kutsilyo. Hindi pa kasama
gumagamit
ng
ng
kutsilyo.
ng bread knife.
Good knife. Iba pala dito pag kutsilyo. Knife. It's a knife. Guys, ito kasi yung gusto ko bilhin sa online. Sabi ko, Bio, tiga mo ang ganda oh. Eh no, maganda naman talaga sa personal,
Sobrang
guys.
social. Kala
Tas
mo naman nasa,
imagine mo,
nasa Castillo ka ng England. No?
Imagine mo magamit mo to 3 taon o 3 to 5 years, di ba? Araw ay. Kaso, pag set binili, guys, may kasamang
Parang sayang kasi pag set.
Sayang yung knife. What knife?
Anong tawag din kaya maliit?
Pang
Madam?
pang dessert siya.
Dessert.
Ay, bibiling ko to para kay
Dessert
Ate
size.
Joanna.
Bakit?
Para makapag-diet siya, mahirapan siya dito, hindi malaki.
Ito
Legit,
spoon and
maganda
fork
sa
lang.
personal. Di ko sure kung nandiya-justify sa camera, pero imagine mo, kakain ko. Ulam mo, sardinas.
Ah, ito po yun.
Pag gina-
How much yung ganito for 6 person?
Sarap ng sardinas.
Oh, ito, wala na daw silang may design na spoon and fork.
Oh.
Na spoon and fork lang. Usually nang may design nila, yung isang
May set.
set. Ito na yung
Matuto na
parang...
lang tayo kumain ng steak.
Yung pagkain na...
Pwede bang gamitin sa liempo yan? Hindi, pero ito super gusto na to. Grabe, ito pa nga lang. Oh.
Di, wala na ako, ito na ako eh. Next time na lang pag nagkabahay guys.
Sumasakit ulo ko sa'yo. Tama
magkano
ito po
yan?
yun, no? 6'3".
6-3, 6 set.
Oo, 6 set. Bali, bibili tayo ng dalawa. Dalawa or tatlo?
Tatlo na.
Tatlo mo na para may spare. Yeah.
Uy, Sir Olan, wag mong ano yun ah.
Jeje.
Wag mo i-cheche yan.
O, naka-less than 20%.
Tsaka tatlo na lang yung bakso.
Oo, sakto.
Sakto.
Ano naman matil?
Social na rin naman kasi siya. Imagine mo kung siya, ano mo, magkano. O, made in Germany. Ano to, investment to, na magagamit
Hindi kasi-
namin for a very long time.
Nung ano nga, bumili kami dito sa online, napag-isip namin na 3 years na yung ano namin, pinggan namin. Pag bumili kami ng magandang quality, na ROI siya, guys. Tama ba mindset namin? B.
Baliktad ka
Palit
kasi.
kasi ng kamay.
Ano ba? Pinot. Cheers.
Ay, ito na lang, pang kanin. Pang serving ng kanin para maano ko lang yung ano ko.
Ay, oo, pwede. Isa lang. Bili ka na isa. Para makita lang natin yung design
Wala
ng
pong
ano.
blue neto. Sayang, blue gusto ko.
Hindi, pero caring nga for ano.
Ito kanin lang. Ito muna ako kasi iba talaga.
Isa lang, no?
Nalabat per se talaga ako dito. Eh, no?
Ako nga, wise personally, hindi ko bet yung design niya. Kasi parang ang bulky nung hawakan.
Hindi, malalasap mo yung ano dyan.
Ito, tatang piraso, 6,000. Eh, parang mas okay ito, is.
Eh, para saan ba yan?
Ulam,
Serving spoon.
serving spoon, ito for rice.
Ito, rice na lang, ma'am.
O, sige, bili ka na isa. Kung gusto mo,
Kasi
maano ka lang.
Mahal to, ma'am eh. Ang hirap mamili dito kasi kami.
Kasi by set, nakakaloka yung by set. Wala ba yung tingi-tingi
tulad
lang?
niya, ito, di ba, solo. Ito na lang din pang serve mo ng ano,
Pwede din,
ulam.
actually. Flexible siya.
Depende naman sa'yo yun.
Oh, hindi naman ma-judge yan ng mga tao na, uy, pang serve ng rice, di ba? Hindi naman parang sisitayin ka
Okay,
pa na.
nag-roasted ka ba?
Okay na ako. Ah, last to po.
Oh my God, last two.
Para sa
Lalo
akin
pang
na lang.
binudol yung sarili niya.
So we ordered 12 pieces of small bowl.
Yes, small bowl.
Sabi namin mangkok.
Sabi niya ate, small bowl.
Dapat yung may takip.
Wala kayong, parang hindi sila mag-ano dito ng stainless na pitcher.
Gusto mo sa Shopee. Binubudol
Oh my
ko siya, guys.
God.
Worth it. Yan ang mga magagandang invest sa buhay.
Legit.
Something I would buy.
Ako bumili ako sa Shopee nung
Wais,
unan.
ang bibilin lang natin yung lagayan ng sauce.
Guys, si Tita, bibilan natin ito.
Kalumuweda.
Tita, pa-serve lang nga yung lunch. So yun, guys. Dito
Parang
naman
pwede
tayo
din-
sa ganito, pang ano?
Yung parang patungan ng pinggan.
Base mat.
Parang ito, parang for ano siya, for ulam.
Pang malakihan.
Na ulam, papatong mo dyan.
O
ng
yung
ulam.
dito, no?
Ay, kaya rin ito mga iso. Kasi parang natitigasan ako
Alam mo
dun
kung saan maganda to?
Sa resort. No, yeah, actually.
Bumili ka na.
Very valley.
Bumili ka na, baka
Hindi
ma-out of
kaso
stock
wais,
to.
hindi naman kasi kailangan sobrang lagyan ng ganun thing.
Mahal siya para
Oo.
Sa bagay. Baka hindi
Parang
nyo na
kaya rin
ma-afford
yung mga ganito,
ano
wa,
doon,
is
no,
look,
24
look,
hours doon na, guys, no? Guys, kanina ba naghanap? Kulang na lang yung pang
Wala talaga. Ito, may ganito
pang
kayong,
sauce.
ito.
Yan, kalamansi, tsaka toyo.
Tsura.
May nakita na si Madam.
Na isang sample.
Ito. Sabi ko, ay maganda.
Anong place?
Ito. Sabi ni Madam, magkano po?
Oh, parang-
Ano lang po, 6,950. Pero
Wa,
apat na
es.
po yun. Sabi ko, Madam,
Alis mo sarap ko.
alis masarap ko yan. Hindi ako target market niya.
Pero guys, ito na binili ko.
And then, pakita mo.
Yan. Sakto lang kasi.
Tapos
Lalatag
may ano
mo
siya,
ganun.
ito guys, ay mahaba.
Yeah, may
Sa
runner.
gitna.
Pero mas maganda yung runner na binigay ni Madam Jing. Tanong natin kay Ate Es kung nasa. Hindi
Ah, ito
hindi
hindi
pala
mo na
natin
kinuha to?
nagagamit. Kinuha ko na rin kasi 1 for lang eh.
Parang masarap na maghapunan nito mamaya ah. Parang ano. Oh,
Ay.
di ba naka-decide na siya kanina? 5 minutes ago. May nakita na naman.
Yeah.
Nalilito.
Ay,
Bakit
yan.
gusto niya?
Oo, yeah. Pero parang feeling ko rin naman ito yung...
Si Bina magde-decide sa ganyan. Ako, nandun lang ako sa ano, kutsara tinidor pa din. Bali, ito yung in-order natin guys, na hindi pa dumadating. Pero padating na. Tapos, kumuha pa tayo ng isa kasi nagustuhan ni B. Bali, hindi pa tayo tapos sa kalamansi toyo.
Hindi ka pa talaga tapos.
Talagang hinanapan talaga
Sabi,
tayo.
sir, ito po. Sabi ko, ay, maliit lang, mura lang.
Eh, parang na sobra naman sa liit.
Hindi.
Chili garlic.
Wait lang, hindi ko pa nakikita yung presyo. Nakita ko na eh.
Magkano?
Set up to daw,
Set up to. Dad.
19.5.
Ang uwi na.
Ate, paglalagyan ko to, magkano na to? Grabe, sana ma-afford natin to. Sige, 19.5, okay. I'll take
Bitawan
two.
mo na, bigay mo na sa kanila yan. Pag yan, nalaglag mo pa.
So, ma'am, thank you po. Yan guys, nag-lunch kami. Magamit na namin yung ano, tinidor.
Hindi pang bread yan eh. Ito yung pang steak. Sarap kaya.
Kami yung lunch namin guys, so mukhang masarap. Kain tayo guys.
Kain.
Call me simple-minded or whatever. But right now, I've just realized how important bathroom is when I'm considering of like which cafe to go to. Before, it's usually the quality of the food. Is it impressive? Is it something that I would like? Or the quality of the drinks? Maybe the place also, like it looks nice and comfortable. Now that I'm looking for a cafe, I had like a sit down and thought about it. Part of the reasons why I choose a certain cafe is because of their bathroom. I really I see a pattern here. Like I tend to go for cafes who have like the pss, 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 if you know what I mean, Asian countries, pss, 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 and not toilet paper. And I don't know, there's this sense of comfort. Maybe not a lot of people talk about this, or maybe this is just me. But yeah, like for some reason, it helps me feel safe in a cafe. I never thought about that really until now. I guess this is the wisdom you carry when you grow old. This is my view. Impressive, right? Amazing. Amazing.
Jollibee spaghetti?
Let's find out.
Ta-da.
Yay!
You said you don't like Jollibee spaghetti.
Let me see. Let's
Cancelled.
find out.
Cancelled.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I feel like the Jollibee version is much sweeter.
Really?
That's why I don't like it.
No, this is sweet too.
It is sweet, but it's not like as crazy. Don't they use banana ketchup or something? Yeah, this is really good.
You don't like it, huh?
I
You
like
don't
it.
like it.
No, I enjoyed it. We used to get those 30-pack Indomie.
My biggest regret in life will be that I didn't start eating Thai food sooner. I grew up eating Thai Express, but that doesn't really count. Me and my friends went to this place called Thai Siam in Calgary. It was one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. And from then on, I've just been on a mission to eat at every Thai restaurant I can. So far in Toronto, I've only been to Thai Nyam and Pai, but they've both been incredible, and I'm very excited for more. If you're Thai, thanks for making great food. I love you. And if anyone else has any food recommendations, I'm always looking for some. Right now I need more Indian food recommendations and Jamaican beef patty recommendations.
The two men spent their days working shirtless like that. Sweat glistened on their skin. All that time together had brought them much closer. Every accidental glance they shared felt like it was weaving an invisible net between them, pulling them tightly together. One day, Aaron was focused on fixing the window when a dull thud suddenly rang out, like something had fallen. He sensed trouble and rushed over immediately. He saw Zach had accidentally slipped off the roof. Aaron's heart jumped into his throat. Luckily the house wasn't too tall, and Zach was okay. Soon the two acted like nothing had happened, and went down to the water to play. Zach mischievously pulled Aaron in with a sudden tug. Who would have thought this big, strong man couldn't swim? He panicked in the water like a helpless baby, and ended up being held tightly by Zach. In that moment, they were so close, they could almost hear each other's heartbeats. In the days that followed, their relationship heated up quickly. Zach's life grew brighter and smoother. The shadows that once hung over him like branches and mist were slowly clearing. Aaron often took Zach out for night rides on the motorcycle. Zach would sit behind him, thoughtfully feeding him drinks. But all good things come to an end. They both ended up tumbling to the ground together. Yet even little accidents like that couldn't stop the deepening feelings between them. The next day, however, Zach quietly drove the car away by himself, locked the door, and left without saying goodbye. The moment he lost control the night before and slid his hand into Aaron's pants, his heart had fallen into deep conflict and confusion. He chose to go home, to face the father who had once forced him to play ball. He wanted to see what choice he would truly make. Zach slowly rang the doorbell. What greeted him was his father's unique welcome. His father treated it like he was just on temporary leave, and kept dragging him out for soccer training every day. But Zach didn't want to pretend anymore. He gathered his courage and said he just wanted to keep bees at his grandfather's house. His father, however, only loved him in his own narrow, closed-off way. Trapped inside his own world, he wanted Zach to become the idealized young soccer star in his mind. He couldn't hear his son's real inner voice. If not for that chance encounter at the church, Zach would never have imagined that Aaron lived right near his father's house. The gears of fate began turning once again.